Here I've got OPPO A52, and let me show you how to change ringtone for your voicemail on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon then, and click on settings. Now go to voicemail and select the SIM card that you would like to change this sound to. Go to notifications, and here a bit lower you will notice a ringtone, so smoothly click on it. Tap on allow, and as you can see here you've got all the options. Let me show you all of them, starting with simple. Okay, so we just have to volume up this device. Wakey wakey. Do we have some do not disturb mode? I guess so, so now it will work. So let's listen to all these sounds. You can also use phone ringtones. And then just pick the one that you like the most, mark it, go back, and that's it. As you can see, your voicemail ringtone has been changed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.